Hello friends, we are continuing our discussion. Question number 70. Correct order of hydration enthalpy. Correct order of hydration enthalpy. This heat of hydration is directly proportional to phi value. Phi value is charge upon radius the square. And if you compare it for Li positive, Na positive, K positive and Rb positive, downward movement, charge remain constant, radius increases, so phi value decreases. So phi value of lithium is maximum, lithium shows highest heat of hydration and rubidium shows lowest. The hydroxide which is most soluble, see in general solubility is inversely proportional to phi value of metal cation. So if you compare beryllium 2 positive, magnesium 2 positive, alright, calcium 2 positive, strontium 2 positive, this is the order of phi value. Greater the phi value, lesser is the solubility. So greater the phi value, lesser is the solubility. So most soluble is barium hydroxide, alright, strontium and then barium. Okay, so in general, but for second group sulfates, if you can remember, for second group sulfate, second group carbonate, second group chromates and some halides, it is directly proportional. Otherwise, in general, for most of the compounds, it is inversely proportional. All right. Now, borax on hydrolysis produce, question number 72. Highly pure solution of sodium in liquid ammonia. It is blue in color, and this is due to solvated electrons or ammoniated electrons. So first and second both are correct. This solution is highly conducting in nature, this is reducing in nature, and this is deep blue in nature. And if you increase the metal ion concentration, that is sodium, you will find that this blue color changes to bronze color, these things. Then comes question number 73. Borax dissolves in water to give basic solution or alkaline solution because of formation of NaOH. Question number 74. The correct for 2,3-dimethyl butanol. Butanol means aldehyde group. So this is aldehyde group. This is the first carbon, second carbon, third and fourth. So this is 2-methyl, 3-methyl, 2,3-dimethyl butanol. Look at question number 75. The correct name, CHO group, again aldehyde group, al, 1, 2, 3. We have 3-chloropropanol. It is 3-chloropropanol. Question number 76, IUPAC name, which is correct. This is cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. Cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. Cyclohexane, in my view, this is also correct. Okay, cyclohexane carbonyl chloride. This is 1,3-dihydroxypropanone. 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 This is also correct. 1,3-dihydroxypropanone is also correct. Represent correct IUPAC name. This is 1, 2, 3. 1,3-dihydroxypropanone is correct. And this is N-ethyl methyl. N-ethyl, N-methyl. It should be N-ethyl, N-methyl. N and dimethyl rather. This is incorrect. There should be the longest carbon chain plus nitrogen is the parent. So it is ethanamine. Basically this is ethanamine. So N and dimethyl. So this is wrong. So I think there will be some correction. First and second are correct. Alright. In 76 you just note it down, and it is first and second are correct. If you think about the correct IUPAC name. Alright, I'll mark it and I'll let them know. Alright,